we'll go to our browser and type in Snapchat support. Then click on the first result is Snapchat support. Then click on I lost my snap streak. Click on it and click on I'm having trouble restoring my snap streak, or I lost my snap streak. Then click on the cross button that the article wasn't helpful for you, and then you can select any one of these and click on submit. Select any one of these and then click on submit. And now what you'll have to do is go to support section under community on the bottom and then click on contact us button, and here select I lost my snap streak and then select I'm having trouble restoring my snap streak. Then click on yes, and here you can fill the form that you can't restore your snap streak, and then the Snapchat team will contact you. Fill all these forms, the mobile number, email, username and all these things, and they will contact you soon. So that's how you can do it. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.